Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make white beans with meat. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First we're gonna see our ingredients. I have here half kilo of white beans. I rinsed it and I'm gonna leave it in soak the whole night. 300 grams of meat cut small pieces, 2.5 cups of tomato juice, natural tomato juice, 1 chopped onion, 1 spoon of tomato paste, and to cook the meat we're gonna need half onion, 4 garlic cloves, some bay leaves, some cardamom, and 1 stick of cinnamon. Vegetable oil, half spoon of ground coriander, and half spoon of 7 spices, a little bit of black pepper, and salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's prepare our meal. First we're gonna cook the meat. In the pot put some vegetable oil, add over it the meat, with the onion, the garlic, the bay leaves, and the cardamom. Stir it until it's changed color. Then add over it the 7 spices. Stir it. And finally add the water. I'm gonna add here around 1.5 liters and leave it cooking over medium heat for around 1.5 hours. And this is our beans after I soaked it. Now we gonna cook it. Put it in a pot, add over it water, and leave it cooking for around 45 minutes. When the beans start boiling, this white foam over it. Take it out. And this is our beans after we cooked it. After 1.5 hours, look, the meat done. Then take it down and drain it. Now let's see the final step. In a pot over high heat, put some vegetable oil, add over it the onion, fry the onion, then add the beans, stir it a little bit, then add the tomato juice, the tomato paste, the meat broth, and the coriander, the black pepper, the salt, stir all together and leave them cooking for around half an hour. And that's it. Our beans is ready. Put it on a plate, accompanied with rice and vermicelli. And if you don't know how to make rice with vermicelli, I'm gonna leave you the link down below. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.